Welcome back to Business Lunch on CNBC-TV18. Now moving on, Turkey-based aviation ground service handler Celebi in the Madras Court has slammed the decision to terminate its service based on what it terms to be a complete vendetta due to the Turkish connections. Ashmit is joining in with us to give us the latest updates on the case. Ashmit.
Well, Celebi going and knocking on doors of various high courts, this time on the doors of the Madras High Court, seeking interim relief. The core concern that Celebi has put across is that this is a case of vendetta launched by the Indian government, the Indian centre, against Celebi for having a Turkish connection. That's the broad claim that has been put across. But in the interim, the relief that had been sought is to at least protect Celebi by ensuring that there is no party that is assigned to replace Celebi for ground handling operations for the airport, specifically of Chennai. Now, what the argument was by Airports Authority of India is that, look, this is a government tender that has to be issued. It is prescribed in law, therefore we don't have an option, we have to do it. And to that end, the only undertaking that Airports Authority has given is that the tender that they issue will have the caveat that going forward, all actions of issuance of tender, then appointment of a replacement for Celebi will be subject to court orders. That has been recorded by the court. Court also saying that this is something that Celebi can claim protection against. Tomorrow, if there's a violation, they can come back to the High Court, they can seek protection. So granting marginal relief to Celebi by saying that any appointment of a replacement will be subject to further court orders, but nonetheless allowing Airports Authority of India to go ahead, appoint an agency for replacing Celebi. Today, of course, was Madras High Court. Tomorrow again will be a critical day. Tomorrow, Celebis will be making a similar case with respect to the Ahmedabad airport, and that, of course, being run by Adani. That's the hearing that we'll be watching out for tomorrow. Back to you.
Okay, Ashmit, thank you so much for that. But let's move